So hi everybody. So my name is Anthony, and I'm going to talk to you about a game called named Crayons. That is a coloring game for kids and family age starting from 4, from 2 to 5 player, and for 10 to 20 minutes. So it's been developed by a friend of mine, Alexandre, and I, Anthony. And I will do the video in different steps. So step 1, I will show you the components. Step 2, I will explain the rules. And step 3, so that's step 3. I will talk about the idea behind the game and why it exists today. Okay, let's go. Okay, so here's everything you need to play the game. So a set of crayons, 2 of each color. There are 6 colors in the game, so 12 crayons. A set of dice. The choice of the dice depends on the number of players around the table. So this is for 3 players. I'm going to show you a 3-player game, and a set of coloring sheets. They're all different. Actually, they're the hearts, the pairs. There's things that are very like this, and they're mandalas and figurative shapes like this. So all different. Each player picks one at the beginning of the game, and I'm going to explain how we play because that's everything here. So here we are, the game's been set up, we're ready to go. First player is here because he's wearing the more colorful clothes. And let's go. So first player roll all the dice at once. And as you see, some dice shows a pattern and some shows a blank face. It's pretty simple. These patterns, this blank face shows nothing so far, but in step 2 of the game, you'll be able to re-roll this one and try and do this amazing face that is beautiful. This one is the riskier one. Look at this. It's nothing but this face. If you do this face, however, you can color 1 blue, 1 yellow, 1 red in 1 turn. So that's pretty nice. But so far, it's like this, so it's nothing. So phase 1 is pretty simple. Each player, starting from first player, picks a die. So I want this one because, it's risky, yes, but it's so rewarding, so I'll take this one. And now it's this player to take it, so he's playing safer. So, there's a purple. The purple, I'll explain to you how it's very interesting. And so this player picks one. I'll play riskier than this one. This one, I'll play risky, and that's it. Okay. That's the end of phase 1, and now we're moving to phase 2. All the players with blank faces up, so this face is up. You see, we never changed the face up because during phase 2, all the faces that are blank up, like this one and these 2, are going to be rolled only once. And that's the risky part of the game. So, for example, this player has the opportunity now is going to roll to maybe have this and another blue. So let's go. This is phase 2 of the game. This player rolls and he does nothing. That's too bad, but it's okay. This is so rewarding, but if you only get it once, you're happy. And this player is going to roll as well his risky die, and he gets a double yellow, which is very nice. And this player has nothing to roll. So that's the end of phase 2, and we're moving to phase 3. It's the coloring part. The coloring part is very simple. So it relies on the fact that there are primary and secondary colors. Primary is blue, yellow, red. Secondary, purple, orange, and green. And it's pretty simple. Let me show you with this player here. So this player here has the opportunity to color, for example, I'll move the camera so I can show you better. He could do 1 blue, for example, this pair could draw the hearts in them, and do this from the sleeping in this pair here, and the red one or whatever here. Okay, and that's the end of this turn. He colors, it takes the crayons, colors, and at the end of this turn, I will show you after the outcome of it and with the results. And so that's it. But he has other options. For example, he could decide that he wants to do the purple ones now because they're hard to get. So he could go and mix the blue and the red, mix them to color 1 purple because blue and red makes purple. So it chooses the pattern. So maybe make the purple hearts or make purple lines or maybe mix them both, whatever. This is a creative part of the game. And all players do that at the same time using the crayons, and I will show you what it looks like after, at the end of first turn. It's the end of the turn, and I'll show you. So this player has decided to do the purple one. So here's the purple one. He's been using these two to make a purple, and he's been using this yellow to make a yellow here. That's it of this turn, and the same goes for everybody. Yellow only add one because he takes all the risks, and he's been doing this. So we can start a new turn. This second player can roll all the dice, and let's go. Pick one. Oh my God, it's here. So immediately picks one, and then it goes on, pick one, and so on, until one player finishes his drawing, and that's the immediate end of the game at the end of the turn. That's it. Let me talk to you about the idea behind the game. Oh, just before we do that, there's one thing in the box of the game. There are like we think that about the possibility to put like little stickers, blank stickers that you could stick on the dice to create your own patterns. So thus increasing the creativity part of the game. That's it. And so let me talk to you real quick about the concept and the idea. So the idea behind the game was to develop a real game that mixes, blends coloring, which is a very solo activity, and playing board games in a social way, together. So this is the reason why we've got these two distinct phases in the game. So phase one, where you pick the dice using modern board game mechanism, I guess. Okay, whatever. And so by using those, we create a real board game. So there is, it's very gentle. So there is like resource management, because what color do I want to be? I need this one. You can block the other player. So, oh, I know you want the orange color to finish, and there is the orange. So I'll take it. Whatever. So there is the slight things here, and there is the risk taking, as I showed you before. For example, we call this one the greedy die, because it only has one, but it's very big. But do I want to take it or not? That's the risk management. And so that's it. That's the board game part. And second phase is purely coloring part. And we love the mix of these two things, going from one to the other and back from the first one. It creates, this is our point of view, obviously, as designers, but it creates for us a very unique and beautiful mix, and going back and forth to this different atmosphere, because it creates a very full atmosphere around the table. Let me explain. I'm trying to find the right words. So when you play together, picking the dice, it's all about modern interaction. So I want this one. No, let me this one. No. This kind of things. But then we're going to the coloring part, and it's a self-oriented activity. So it's very fun because we're back to something very peaceful, and all of a sudden something relaxes in the room, and we love this tiny things that makes us go from a very relaxing activity to a very interactive activity. And this is what we probably love the most about the game. This and the creativity part, because then that's the last thing I will say about the game is we know that not all players are good at drawing or at coloring, and I'm not actually. So I'm real bad. I'm not sure Alexandre is. I don't know. I'm not sure he's the best. Whatever. And so that's why we decided to use the patterns, because they tell you what to do. We chose them very simple, because we think when you're 4 years old, you might not be able to do intricate and difficult things. But, however, so the game is very smooth and gentle in this creative part, because it tells you what to do. But then once you feel comfortable, or if you're already comfortable, you can decide, let me show you this one. You can do it like exactly like it shows on the die face. But you could decide to place it, start from this way or this angle, because, oh my God, if I put it in this angle, it creates something that makes me feel emotions, feelings. Oh, I like this. Oh my God. This is the kind of feelings that you can. I mean, I'm not saying it's for sure, but that you might feel. And it's very good to feel that you are getting at ease, getting more comfortable with this creative part. And yeah, this is the other thing that we love about the game. So I think that's it. I hope I didn't miss anything about the explanation. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!